Your girl finally got the courage to play in some hair wax.
Issues, I know I got issues. Hate you then I miss you again. Selfish, taking just be. Don't take it. Taking just don't be. And live my life. Don't take it personal.
What's poppin', y'all? Welcome back to another video. I'm sure you guys can tell by the title what this video is all about. Of course, it's about this color that's in your girl hair. Yeah, so as you guys can tell by the title, this was done using some hair paint wax. I am going to get all into the video, let y'all know what it is, what it do, all the goodies of this. I just want to make sure I came on and did an intro for you guys. Be sure to thumbs up the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and go ahead and share your girl out one time. I'll have the details. I probably was a little all over the place because I was trying to get it done. So if I need to hop back on and say something while I'm editing, I'll let y'all know. But y'all, tell me what y'all think. Y'all see all the... Yes, so y'all could just kind of see how this video is about to go. But stay tuned if you guys want to see me apply this hair paint wax to my hair. And don't forget to let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. Stay tuned.
Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. 'Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my...
So I am about to go from this with my locks to some color here in a little bit. My hair is actually shrunken per usual, but y'all, it's almost wash day, so that's why I'm deciding to do this now. I got on me a little throw around shirt, so you know what I'm saying. I heard that it washes out pretty easy, but JIC, your girl is covered. So before we get into this video, go ahead and thumbs up the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you are not already. And we are about to hop right into it. So as you guys know, I'm trying to look for my stuff, right? Your girl is about to get it popping with this hair wax. I'm about to go ahead and open this wax now, but I am going to section my hair off. Ooh, this should be interesting, y'all. I got this in this purple, is it called purple? Primrose. It's either primrose or primrose, but it has an E, so I'm gonna say primrose. But it's primrose. Let me see if you guys can see that. So this is what it's looking like. This should be interesting. So it looks like it's more of like a pinkish purple like color, so we shall see how that goes. But I am about to section my hair off. I'm gonna turn around so y'all can see how I'm sectioning my hair.
From me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want it.
Then I think for the front I am going to do a side part. So let me find my side part. There she is.
Your love, your love, your love, your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love.
Y'all know I'm clipping it was so difficult. But here we is. She's clipped. I'm about to take this back ponytail out because that is where we are going to start. I have my gloves ready. My gloves I'm about to put on. All right, y'all, now it does cause for your hair to be damped, so I have my little mister bottle here that I am going to spray my hair with. This is just rose water and nose itching and a little oil that I will be applying. So let's go ahead and get started.
Put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me. Put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me. Put your love on me.
front. As you guys see, I thought it would be more like a purple, but it's definitely more like a pinkish like color, but I'm still not mad at it. I have a mirror over here, so that's why I keep looking over there. But I am about to show you guys how to put it on the front. If you guys haven't noticed, I'm not taking it all the way to my roots. And I'm doing that purposely because I still want to have the dark roots. But I mean, so far so good. I like it so far. I can tell you though that I am using just about, I'll probably be using this whole container by the time I'm done. Let's just put it that way. Oh wait, y'all, the mister still be spraying and it don't even be in my hands no more. So I'm literally just putting some on my hand. And then I'm just kind of raking it through my hair. That way I can get as much of the locks as I can. Hopefully you guys are able to see how I'm doing that. And then I'm definitely like, not really focusing on the ends, but I'm definitely going back to the ends because I'm noticing that the ends aren't really getting it as much. But I definitely don't want to take it all the way up to the roots. Ooh. Now I think it's pretty. It's definitely a pretty color. Hopefully you guys are able to see the color coming through. Before we get too far away, I need to clear my mind. The video is doing it any justice. But I do want to take it up a little more. And we reach a point we can't. Sorry, I'm making a mirror over here. Well, I originally didn't even plan on taking it up that high, so you know your girl must be feeling the color. So this is going to be the last section. As you guys see, I have pretty much broke the rest of the section down in like smaller sections, but I'm not doing that with the top. Mainly because I could see the top, so I don't need to break it down in more sections. Where else to go? Maybe I need some space. And believe it or not, even with the gloves on, I can kind of still feel how damp my hair is, so it works. But let's go ahead and get into this last section. I'm gonna start with the top, y'all, just because I'm running low. And then I'll work my way down. Running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. As y'all can see, I'm not using no real way to do this. I'm literally just raking it through. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground, and make eye contact with clouds. Now alright, y'all, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take what I have left, and y'all, where did my color go? It looks so different. I can't wait to see how it looks when it's dry. But I am going to take what I have and I'm going to just put it on both my hands and go through. Just rake it through to make sure we are covered. And I'm going to take some and focus a bit on the ends. By doing that, I am going to take the ends like this. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to. So I am doing this, y'all, just to make sure I got everything. And it looks like I do. Alright guys, so this is what we are looking like. I want to show you guys how much I used. So yes, the thing is just about empty, and y'all, I don't even have that much left. But you can definitely see the color. I cannot wait to see what it looks like once it dries. But I am going to do a 360 guys. This is what the color looks like. I wanna be free. I wanna be free. my face. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but it is definitely transferring a lot on my shirt. But I did hear that it transfers until it's completely dry. So your girl not gonna touch nothing. She ain't gonna sit on nothing crazy. We just gonna let this hair dry, okay? But the color is looking really prominent, okay? The color is coming through, y'all. I hope y'all can see that. But we gonna check it out and see what it looks like once it's dry. And I'll be back once it is completely dry. That way you guys can check it out. But let me know what y'all thinking so far. Y'all feel it? We'll see. And y'all know your girl about to shrink up since my hair is damp. But I'll be back to check you guys once it dries so we can see what it looks like. So stay tuned for that. All right, guys, welcome back. So your girl is done drying her hair. It is 6:25, so it's been about 2.5 hours. My hair usually don't take long to dry. Unfortunately, I am still getting, like when I touch my hair, it is dry. It feels just like a tad bit crunchy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but like touching my hair, it is still bleeding into my hands, and yes, it's dry. So that part I don't really like. I'm not sure if you guys can see, but I'll try and zoom in. That this stuff definitely does transfer. Not excited about that, but I am gonna pineapple my hair tonight. Y'all, I'm a little nervous because I'm not trying to get this all over my eye. The pillowcases I ain't worried about, but I don't want it to seep through the pillow. So I don't know, your girl gonna have to finesse her hair tonight just to see if it bleeds through or not. But my hair is weird, like it feels a little crunchy. Not really feeling it. It does have like not crunchy, but it's definitely not like what I'm used to my hair feeling like. It does bleed like crazy. Like I showed you guys how much was left in the bottle, so I used dang near the whole thing on my head, and my locks are not even as thick as I've seen some people, so you might want to consider that. This is it's a 120 gram container, so if your hair is longer than mine, if it's fuller than mine, and you're wanting to do like your whole head, you may need to. I had originally planned on just doing like half, but I did go up a lot further than what I planned on doing. But you know, it's okay. Y'all know me, I don't like keeping stuff in my head for too long. And it's just about time for wash day, so I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it in. But I am gonna try and give you guys a couple styles, a couple meaning two. Hopefully it's two. Because if it starts bleeding too much on my hand, then baby, you already know it's a wrap, it's out. But I'm gonna try to give you guys a couple styles. I am going to do a video of me washing it out so you guys can see that process, see if it gets my hair or get out of my hair completely, all that good stuff. But overall, I mean, I think it's okay. It wasn't the color I was going for, but I do like the color. I do have a gold one as well that I may try in the future. Not really sure, may just leave that toward the tips if I do try it, but I'll let you guys know about that as well. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Have you tried hair paint wax on your hair? Whether it be natural, locked, or whatever. Let me know if you tried it down below. Let me know how you liked it. Let me know if you tried the brand that I have. Give me the deets, baby. Share the details. But I mean, this one is okay. It's my first time trying it, so I don't know how much more I will be experiencing, or experimenting, should I say. I do really want to dye my hair, but I want to wait till my hair fully matures before I go that route. So that's why she had to do the hair paint wax. You feel me? Like, oh, y'all see that? Like, it still shakes, but it's a little stiff. She's a little stiff, but you know, it's okay. She's gonna get through it. But I do want to thank you guys for watching this video. If you have any questions, please drop them down below in the comment section. And I will go ahead and leave in the description the product that I use. I did get it from Amazon, so you can find that link down below. They do have a lot more colors if you are interested. But I'm going to hit y'all with a 360, and then I am going to get out of here.
I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you as someone.
So there is one thing I just remembered that I wanted to tell you guys, the smell. So it does not stink, but it is like a perfumey smell, and I'm not one that's into perfume, so it's been irritating me since I put it on. I'm like, baby, it's too strong. But you know, it may be fine for you. But once again, thank you guys for tuning into this video. Please be sure to thumbs it up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and I'll check you guys in the next video.
From me, put your faith in me, put your love on me.